We stand on the precipice of a revelation that redefines humanity's relationship with the planet's most formidable landscapes. Ancient civilizations, once thought to merely survive in the high mountains, demonstrably thrived by unlocking agricultural secrets we are only now beginning to comprehend. Imagine vast mountain ranges, once considered inhospitable for large-scale farming, suddenly transformed into verdant breadbaskets feeding millions. This isn't a futuristic fantasy, it's a rediscovered past, holding the key to global food security in an era of unprecedented climate challenges. The implications of these lost methods promise to radically reshape our understanding of sustainable agriculture, offering a profound blueprint for a thriving future. Deep within the Andean highlands, an international team of geoarchaeologists unearthed a complex network of agricultural terraces far exceeding any previously documented scale or sophistication. These magnificent structures, intricately carved into steep mountainsides, revealed an engineering prowess thought impossible for pre-modern societies. Dr. Elena Ramirez, lead researcher, described the initial discovery as a geological fingerprint of forgotten genius, confirming the existence of systematic cultivation at extreme altitudes. The sheer audacity of these ancient farmers to transform barren rock into fertile ground utterly defied contemporary agricultural logic, sparking a global scientific reevaluation. Further investigations by hydrologists revealed an ingenious system of water harvesting and distribution, utilizing the natural meltwaters from glaciers and seasonal rains. Ancient canals, precisely engineered with subtle gradients, channeled water across vast distances, minimizing erosion and maximizing efficiency. Researchers from the University of Arizona's Arid Lands Institute marveled at the thermal regulation capabilities of these water features, which created localized microclimates protecting crops from harsh frosts. This intricate hydraulic architecture managed to sustain delicate crops in environments we currently deem too volatile for stable food production, showcasing an unparalleled mastery of hydrological science. Soil analyses conducted by agroecologists uncovered an advanced understanding of nutrient cycling and soil regeneration, employing techniques that predated modern organic farming principles by millennia. Layers of organic matter, animal waste, and crushed minerals were meticulously integrated into the terrace beds, creating exceptionally fertile and resilient soil structures. This sophisticated soil management system fostered a rich microbial ecosystem, enabling continuous cultivation without depleting essential nutrients over centuries. The biodiversity within these ancient plots further revealed a deliberate cultivation of symbiotic relationships between plants, insects, and soil, a holistic approach far beyond our conventional monoculture practices. The evidence points to a deliberate diversification of crops, including various potatoes, quinoa, and maize varieties, each specifically adapted or bred for the extreme conditions of high altitude. These indigenous strains exhibited remarkable resilience against fluctuating temperatures, intense UV radiation, and strong winds, factors that plague modern high-altitude farming attempts. Statements from ethnobotanists emphasize that ancient communities developed an encyclopedic knowledge of plant genetics and environmental interactions, safeguarding against total crop failure through strategic planting. Such robust agricultural systems provided consistent food supplies for large, complex societies thriving in environments modern experts considered marginally habitable at best. Today, agronomists are actively replicating these ancient methods in experimental plots across the Peruvian Andes and the Himalayan foothills, demonstrating astounding early successes. Initial trials have shown significantly higher yields of traditional highland crops compared to conventional contemporary methods, with drastically reduced water consumption. These pioneering projects, supported by international agricultural organizations, are providing undeniable proof that these lost techniques are not merely historical curiosities, but vital tools for our future. The ongoing research promises a scalable model for feeding growing populations in increasingly challenging climates, confirming the ancient wisdom as a pathway to global agricultural renaissance. For too long, modern science dismissed high-altitude regions as inherently limited for intensive agriculture, viewing them as marginal lands struggling against insurmountable environmental odds. Our existing models for food production focused on resource-heavy, lowland expansion, often at the expense of ecological balance. The rediscovered ancient methods shatter this narrow perspective, demonstrating that humans once cultivated vast, productive food systems precisely because of the unique characteristics of these elevated landscapes. This profound realization fundamentally reconfigures our scientific understanding of agricultural potential, urging a complete overhaul of our strategies for sustainable global sustenance. This isn't merely a historical footnote. It's a living blueprint for humanity's future resilience and ingenuity. We are witnessing the dawn of a new era in global food production, inspired by the profound wisdom of civilizations long past. The mountains are speaking, and their ancient voices offer a hopeful, verdant path forward for us all.